Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change Telegram music length, but before that change Instagram music length. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is, for that you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Instagram app right on your mobile phone first. Once your Instagram app is open, what you're going to do is afterwards you're simply going to go tap on this plus icon given below. You can go ahead tap on the story option, right? So you're simply going to go ahead choose from your gallery a random picture. See, it's so cute. Once you have chosen that picture, what you're going to do is it's going to tap on this icon above, right, for you to add music. Then you tap on this music option, and let's say you chose this option. Once you have chosen that option, it's simply going to look like this right there in the story settings, right? So if you want to change the length of the music, this circled icon over here, if you tap on it, this will show you the clip duration, aka the length. You can see it's as it mentioned, you can see from the 5 seconds to max 15 seconds is available. So you can change it according to this space given. Let's say we want to do 12 seconds. Now this part which we choose to put a particular part in our story, we can go ahead change the length of this. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.